Alright, what's going on guys, and welcome back to the channel. Now today what we're going to be doing is working on the 1997 Subaru Impreza that I got for 125 bucks. If you haven't seen the previous video on this car, I'd recommend checking it out. I'll leave a link for you guys above. Now getting back to the car, what we're going to be doing today is just doing solely the interior. Now it looks like this car hasn't been cleaned in years. So I'm gonna just separate the interior and exterior clean for two separate videos. But in this first video, I'm just gonna give you guys a quick look at what it looks like on the inside. And what I'm thinking is a vacuum with some spot cleaning and then a detail on all the trim is really gonna bring this car back to life. Here, let me just show you guys real quick what it looks like on the inside. I mean, look at all that head sweat on that headrest back there. You could just tell the owner of this vehicle just kind of hopped in this thing and just did whatever and never really thought about cleaning it. Cleaning the interior is really gonna change the look of the car. The back seats are kind of the same story, and there's something I've been dreading this whole entire time, because I don't know what is on this towel. I'm gonna throw all this stuff out of the car, and I'm gonna start vacuuming, and we'll get back to it. Safety first. Ow! God. Any goodies? How about some money? Is there any money in this car? Alright, and even after a quick vacuum, the car is starting to look really good. There's still a lot that we need to do in terms of spot cleaning on the fabric. I was even able to get these WRX all-weather floor mats. They fit like a glove. I swear, these Subarus are like Legos. 9 times out of 10, stuff's gonna fit. But now, we need to start on spot cleaning and making sure that it comes out looking really good. But before I start going to town on this car, I wanted to show you guys what products we're gonna be using today. And today we're gonna be using Chemical Guides' Fabric Clean. I just like this stuff because it works really well on car interiors, as well as it has a little bit of an odor eliminator. What we did is we diluted it 20 parts to 1 in an old Windex bottle. We're gonna be using a brush attachment on a corded drill just to help speed things up. Should be good. So let's get to work. Woo. Okay, that was just my quick demo of what I'm gonna be doing to all the seats. So let me just finish this up right here and we'll be right back. And we're back. We cleaned off all the seats with the fabric cleaner and vacuumed it, and it's looking really good. Next, what I'm gonna be doing is I'm gonna be detailing the door, and I'm gonna show you real quick just my way of detailing the trim as well as the dashboard and any plastics that are inside the car. So I'll give you guys a quick lesson on trim cleaning. So there's gonna be 2 different types of cleaners that you can use on your car. Now there's your water-based cleaners, and then there's your oil-based cleaners. Now with water-based cleaners, this is good for cleaning the car. And your oil-based cleaner is more for protecting it and making it look good and shiny. And again, everything will be linked down below, so if you want to do this with your car, by all means do it. What we're also going to be using is some detailing brushes, and these, again, super cheap and will really save your life, especially when you're detailing stuff that you can't get with the microfiber towel. And of course, you're going to be using a microfiber towel. I would just recommend getting a boatload of these because they're going to really come in handy if you get into this kind of car stuff. I'm going to be using our water-based cleaner and the detailing brush. And get all the spaces that you wouldn't be able to get with your hands in a microfiber towel. See, now you've gotten all the small parts. And fold up our microfiber towel nicely, spray some product, and now cover the whole entire area. And use the brush where necessary, where you see a lot of dirt and buildup and stuff. And then in the pesky spots where you see there's major staining and stuff, and really agitate the surface to get rid of all the stuff on there. Get these corners, get at the top here. If you're satisfied with the way it looks right now, you take your protectant, spray it onto your microfiber towel, and that is gonna protect it. And that's what gives it the gloss and makes it look really good. We're gonna do this to the rest of the interior, and it's gonna take some time. So what I'll do is I'll clean it all back up, and I'll see you guys in a little bit. All right, and we're back. So we were able to detail all the interior trims, including the door cards, the dashboard, and the center console, and it's looking really good. The only thing is everything now is super damp, so what I did is I put the car out in the sun so that everything can dry off. And I mean, it's a perfect day for it. It's nice and sunny out. So we'll come back in a couple hours and see how it's looking.
A few moments later.
Alright guys, so it's been a couple hours and we let everything dry off on the car, and I just wanted to give you guys a quick look and see how the car looks. And the thing that I'm most thankful for, it doesn't smell anymore. In the interior, the floor mats really made a difference. The center console looks awesome, and even the back seats came out pretty good too. I mean, I'm happy with it. I just wanted it to be a place where if you sat in it, you wouldn't feel just absolutely disgusted. And that's kind of how I felt when I was first in this vehicle. But anyways, in the next video, we're going to be cleaning up the exterior because, as you can see, it is seen better days. So make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in the next one.